Oh, snap, dazzled, sweet buttered toast. I'm back. Holy shit. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Glad to be back. It has been a long ass winter. Spring definitely took its dear old sweet time. And oh, I smell bacon. I smell grease. I smell, oh, the sheriff. Not some sort of police. Well, I guess Belknap County Police, Mr. Sheriff man. Oh my goodness. Guys, a lot has happened. A lot has happened. And let's go over it. And what is to come for this year. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Alright guys, so glad to be back here. I know I've said that like 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 times, but goddamn, it's finally a nice day out and I'm able to get the bike out. I've already seen a couple bikes out and about this morning. I was gonna record my ride in this morning, but oh my god, was it cold. It was 26 degrees when I left the house, and I believe it got to like 32 when I arrived at work. And yeah, there's a motorcycle right there. Hello. Good day to you. And another one. A lot of people out. It's nice. The roads are cleaned up a bit. I mean, there's still, you can see the sand right there. Oh, well, that's also a new thing, guys. The camera. I am now drift free. We are rocking and rolling with a GoPro Hero 9 Black. Whew. Man, I gotta tell you, the learning curve between like the drift to the GoPro was actually more than I thought. I ended up having to look through a bunch of videos, figure out my audio. I don't even know if my audio is good right now. I have no clue. You might not even see this. I might not even be recording for that matter. Like, I don't know. So, the camera's changed. The drift, I've kicked to the curb. I'm not gonna fully get into why I made the switch, because I've already covered it in previous videos. Let's just say, how do I sum it up really quickly? Drift is a hot piece of shit, and their company really freaking sucks, and they don't stand behind their product, and they're not helpful as a customer service base. So yeah, I think I cleaned it up nicely. So yeah, here we are, GoPro Hero 9, let's go. Now, what else has changed? Oh, I feel like there's something really big that happened in my life. What the hell was it? Oh yeah, I became a dad. Yeah. My wife and I had our baby. She was born on December 21st, 2021. So baby Granite is now in the world. I can hold her. She can spit up on me. She can pee on me. She can poop on me. It's all happened. It's come full circle at this point. But I can't be happier with the way my life has been over the winter and over the past couple of months. Things just are fitting in pretty smoothly. But I'm really hopeful that this is actually recording. Like, I don't know. I don't know what I was hoping that this light was going to be a bit more redder. It's blinking red at me. I think I'm recording. we're actually gonna, oh, look at all that sand. Holy Jesus. That wasn't like that the other day when I came through. Look at all the sand that's like on the side of the road here. Kind of nuts. Hello. A nice little wave. That's actually a video I do want to do, is why I wave to people. I used to, when my first year that I did motovlogging, I actually did a wave to me counter. And back then it was more of a game. And then since then, me waving to people actually means something more to me now. And I do want to get into that. And what I mean by it. I am not, you know, usually I'm happy about hitting green lights. I really want to just make sure my camera's recording. Hello. Oh, we finally got a red light. Alright, we're gonna make sure that I'm recording. Let's just get on up here, make a nice little stoppy McStop. God damn it! Alright, recording? Hello. Yes. I know I checked it before, but you know what? For some reason I thought me looking at the red light was more of an illusion, and I second guessed myself. So I need to triple check. Whatever that whole Aaron Rodgers thing is, you know, the discount double check. I need to do that. God, I'm so happy to be back. And you know what's weird about the first ride of the season? Like the first actual ride, because I did take the bike out once before, just because. Just because I got it out of the shed, I had to take it around the block. But that first ride of the year, I don't know if anyone else gets this, because a lot of the people that I know, they don't have to stop riding. You know, unless you're in like the Northeast or Midwest where you get snow, you don't have to stop riding. You know, people from Texas, Florida, you know, California, they're all riding nonstop all year long. Me, I'm like, I have to stop riding for like months, and it sucks. So yeah, besides becoming a dad and the whole new camera system, that's really about it for like new stuff for the channel. I haven't been streaming on Twitch as much. I mean, all things considered, it's baby. It's all about the baby. Which also brings me to I can't talk. What's in store for the channel this year? What are we doing? Mainly the same things. Not too much of a change. I should have avoided that. Not much of like a change per se. With the whole baby, the schedule is a bit off. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to do for like Laconia Bike Week this year. Definitely throws a wrench into going down for the Forgotten Angels. I mean, I missed it in October, I missed it in March, and I believe I'm probably going to miss the October one yet again. But understandably, I mean, that's just, you know, it's my family. My family is the thing that comes first for me. But anyway, I digress. So when it comes to like rides this year, I mean, I plan on doing the Kank once or twice. Maybe Mount Washington. That's always been a hope every year. I've still never been. Laconia Bike Week, I mean, I'm sure I'll go one day at least. I mean, I live right here, so I mean, it's not something that's out of the question. It's just when it comes to, you know, now that I have said baby, you know, it comes first, and I think all of you will understand that. My plans are to at least have one video a week. Probably Wednesdays I'll have it come out. A couple seasons ago it was Wednesdays and Sundays, and then I had to scale it back because just life life got in the way. And honestly, if anyone was to do this, they know that putting out 2 videos a week, it's a chore. I mean, it definitely takes time and effort and dedication. And I mean, I'm dedicated enough to do 1 video a week. As of right now, I'm not saying I might release 2 videos in a week or something like that. I mean, it all depends. But we're definitely back. I'm happy. I'm relatively healthy. Now that the wife is done being the old pregnant and stuff, I can actually go back to being on keto. I ended up gaining back like pretty much all my pre-keto weight, which sucks. But hey, you know what? I understand, because when she was pregnant, she couldn't be on keto. She needed the delicious carbs, and you know what? Who was I gonna say no to? But anyway, guys, I want to say thank you. I'm glad to be back. Thank you for sticking with me. And we're gonna make this a great year, great fun year. And be sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, all that jazz. You know, look me up on all my socials. And until the next one, this is Captain Granite. Later.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah. I am the cream.